Hello angels! Welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. What do you think about the look that I'm wearing right now? Isn't it too romantic? Yes, indeed it is. And this is the look that I have done for the Valentine's Day. It's so gorgeous, so beautiful, perfect pink, so romantic. Love is in the air. Love is in the air. Yes, this is for the Valentine's Day and I think that this looks stunning. I have created this look using the Huda Beauty Nude palette. This palette is so beautiful, so gorgeous, stunning, amazing colors. When I saw the palette, I was like, this definitely has some nude collection. It's like the same nude, perfect colors, probably the warm tones that we always need. But when I saw the palette, I was mesmerized. This is drop dead gorgeous. Trust me, the colors are so stunning. It has perfect matte, it has perfect satin finish, glitter, sheen, beautiful colors, and I love each one of them. It's definitely not nude. I would say it's more on the mauvey tones, more on the pink tones, peach tones. Definitely not what you expect from a nude palette, but if we talk about the blendability of colors, we talk about the color payoff, this is definitely stunning and I loved it. And I thought, why not to create a Valentine's Day look using this beautiful palette. If you want to see how did I create this look, keep on watching. I'm going to start with the primer, and for my primer today I am using my recent purchase, which is Farsali liquid glass. Yes, it does what it says. It makes your skin glow like glass. I am going to apply it all over my face. And now for my foundation, I'm using the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. This is also one of the foundations that provides adequate glow to my skin and I love it for this. I'm going to apply this foundation with a damp beauty blender. For my concealer, I am using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Natural Beige. I have been loving Tarte Shape Tape, but recently after using this, I think this concealer is not as drying as Tarte, and I have started loving this, especially in this winter season. And I'm going to apply this using the same damp beauty blender. For my highlighting, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. I will again blend it with a damp beauty blender. And now we come to contour. I am using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I will apply it at the back of my hand and then I really want to warm up the products before using them directly on my face, especially during this winter season. And then with this damn beauty blender, I will apply it on the desired areas. Now comes the setting part, and for setting my under eyes, I am using the Coverfx Illuminating Setting Powder in the shade Light. I will apply it under my eyes and around my lips where I feel that I may have some creasing. And for the rest of my face, I am going to use the Kat Von D Shade+Light Contour Palette. And for this, I am using this brush by Analia. Now comes the blush, and I am using Rimmel Maxi blush in the shade Wildcard. I will again use the brush from Analia. Now just before applying the highlighter, I'm going to spray MAC Fix+in Lavender all over my face and let this dry for about 30 seconds. For my highlighter today, I'm using the Jefree Star Skin Frost Highlighter in Ice Cold. Now that completes my face, and now we come to eyes. For my eyes today, I'm using the Huda Beauty Nude palette. Da-da-da-da! This palette is so stunning. I love all the colors in the palette. I'm going to start with this pale color in the palette, which is Play, and I'm going to work it in my transition area. Now the next color is this color, which is Tickle. And I will apply it just below the transition color, exactly in the crease line, and blend it well. The final matte color that I'm going to use is this one, which is Raw, and I think this is the darkest color in the palette. I feel so, yes. And I will just work it on the outer corners and exactly in the crease line, just to deepen up that crease line and give more definition to my eyes. Now we come to those beautiful metallic eyeshadows, and I am going to use this one right now, which is Fantasy, and I'm going to use my fingers because I think they come out the best with your fingers. And I will apply it on the lid, leaving the inner part of the eye because I am going to use the other color in the inner corner. Now for the inner corner, I'm using this color, which is Crave, and I just can't reach exactly in the innermost corner of my eye, so I'm going to use the small brush from my wrist and apply it in the innermost corner of the eye. This looks beautiful, but I want to use one more color from the palette, which is Daydream, and it's so beautiful. I'm going to apply this color just to merge my previous two metallic shadows right in the center where my Crave and Fantasy is, and I'm going to apply this Daydream on top of it and blend it with both the colors. Now it's time to do the lower lash line, and I'm going to use the same matte colors that I've used on top. I am going to repeat those colors and work on my lower lash line as well. Perfect, but since it's like a Valentine look and I want to do it a little more glittery and romantic, so I am going to use this color, which is Crave, and I am going to work in the inner corner of the lower lash line. Now I'm going to use this Kiko eye pencil, which is a very nude color, and I will work it in the waterline. And by using this beautiful color, which is Crave, I am going to highlight the inner corner of the eye and the brow bone as well. For my mascara, I'm using the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara. I'm not going to do too much on the upper lashes because I've got my lash extensions done. I'm just going to emphasize the roots, and I'm going to apply it on the lower lashes as well. Now it's time to do my lips, and I really want to do a color which is very soft. So I'm going to use this lip pencil from NYX in 840, which is Rose. And I'm going to apply this MAC Cream Sheen lipstick in the shade Babetown. Now to complete the look, I am spraying Morphe Continuous Setting Mist all over my face, and I love how beautifully the mist comes out from this bottle. So that completes the whole look, and I am sure that you all would have liked it. This is perfect for Valentine's Day. I think it's nothing too much. You can wear it during the daytime, but this glitter will also look stunning during the night. In case you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload. I love you all, stay blessed and keep watching, and yes, happy Valentine's Day. Hello angels, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. Okay.
Let's go bloopers. BTS.
अब मैंने ऐसे नहीं किया, उन्होंने ऐसे बना किया।